There is arguably no warning light more terrifying than the oil pressure light. So if you are seeing code P0524 engine oil pressure too low, you need to stop driving immediately. This code means your powertrain control module is receiving a voltage signal from the oil pressure sensor that is way below the acceptable limit. If this reading is accurate, your engine is being starved of lubrication, which can destroy bearings and internal components in seconds. However, before you assume the engine is toast, you need to determine if this is a sensor problem or a real mechanical failure. We see this code pop up a lot on Dodge, Jeep, and Chrysler vehicles, but it can happen to anyone. The very first thing you do is check the oil level. Is it full? Does the oil look like chocolate milk or smell like gas? If the oil is low or the wrong viscosity was used during the last service, that could be your entire problem right there. There are also known technical service bulletins for some Chrysler and Mazda vehicles related to this, involving PCM updates or oil pump replacements, so check those records. If the oil level is fine, you cannot just trust the dashboard. You really need to get a mechanical oil pressure gauge, unscrew the sensor, and screw in the gauge to see what the real physical pressure is inside the engine. If the mechanical gauge says your pressure is great, then congratulations. You likely just have a bad sensor or some corroded wiring to fix. But if that gauge confirms the pressure is low, you are looking at internal issues like a worn oil pump or worn out bearings. Do not gamble with this code. Verify the pressure first.